So the government and farmers, as I mentioned, are holding the 10th round of talks at Delhi's Vigyan Bhavan. Home Minister Amit Shah met with the Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar as well as Railways Minister Piyush Goyal at his residence before the meet with the farmers. In the talks held so far, there's been no concrete outcome as the farmers' agitation continues now for nearly 2 months. While the farmers are pushing for a repeal of laws, the government is insisting that amendments to address issues faced by farmers is something that they can consider. The army, meanwhile, has asked veterans not to don uniforms or display medals while attending farmers' protest. Sources said that uniforms and medals cannot be worn while attending a public gathering or protest.
वो कह रहे हैं कि खेती तीनों कानूनों को रद्द करने की रिपील जो है उनको रद्द करने की बात छोड़कर किसी और विकल्पों या और बिंदुओं पर गलबात करने के लिए किसान आए। किसान बिल्कुल किसान जथेबंदियां दे आगू या किसान बिल्कुल ये गल मानने को तैयार नहीं। असी तो उसकी रिपील पर खड़े हैं और तिन्ने खेती कानून रद्द किए जाएँ और MSP का वक्रा कानून बनाया जाए। उससे कम सानू कोई भी मंजूर नहीं। असी अपनी बात पर बिल्कुल अड़ेंगे।
सरकार जो मर्जी बातें करे, हमारी तो केवल ये पहले मांग है कि तीनों कृषि कानून जो किसी किसान ने आज तक मांगे नहीं, आपने गले का फंदा बनाकर किसानों के गले में डाल दिया है, उसको आप पहले रिपील करें, उसके बाद कोई चर्चा होगी।
The expert panel formed by the Supreme Court on farm laws has become really the latest flashpoint, and the CJI has expressed his displeasure over what he said is a maligning of the 4-member panel set up by the top court to speak to farmers. The Supreme Court slammed farmers for painting these experts as pro-farm laws and advised them against branding the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice added that it's become a culture now to brand people who one doesn't like. The Apex Court issued a notice to the centre as well as the farmers to reply on a plea to reconstitute the committee. The farmer unions have so far refused to appear before the panel, referring to it as biased. One of the 4 members of the panel had quit, citing also prevailing sentiments. And as far as the tractor rally on Republic Day goes, the Supreme Court has again put the onus on the Delhi police to decide on whether or not should be given for the tractor rally or not. The Apex Court has refused to pass any order on the tractor rally and said that the court will not interfere. The CJI said that the Delhi police is free to act on their own accord on the tractor rally. Protesting farmers on Delhi's borders earlier sought a nod from the Delhi police to hold their tractor rally on the capital's ring road. The farmers met with the Delhi, Haryana and UP police officials. They've asked for permission to hold the tractor march on Republic Day. They've assured that their march will not cause any disturbance.
26 तारीख की परेड को लेकर के संशय बरकरार है। क्या पुलिस से कुछ परमिशन मिला है, नहीं मिला है?
पुलिस को परमिशन दिया करे, पुलिस परमिशन थोड़ा देती है। तो हम परमिशन नहीं देते कभी,
बिना परमिशन के
हम सूचना देते हैं चैनल के माध्यम से, अखबार के माध्यम से। तो LI और वो इंटेलिजेंट है, वो काम उनका है।
तो मीटिंग करने आए थे ना SP साहब, तो क्या बात हुई?
वो तो यही कि किस तरह की ठीक व्यवस्था हो रही नहीं हो रही, किस तरह की
जो पुलिस ने इजाज़त देनी है या केंद्र सरकार ने इजाज़त देनी है उनको देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि नागरिक हैं, देश के किसान अन्नदाता हैं, उनका भी गणराज्य में हिस्सा लेने के लिए, परेड करने के लिए उतना ही हक है। असं तो सिर्फ परेड इसलिए कर रहे हैं, एक तो गणराज्य मनाने की बात है, दूसरी ये है कि इसके एक बहरे कान है ना जो सरकार के, वो खुल जाएँ। उसका एक रोष करना चाहते हैं और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से करना चाहते हैं, अनुशासन डिसिप्लिन के साथ करना चाहते हैं।
दिल्ली का जो रिंग रोड है, हमने उस पर परेड करने की बात कही है और उसी से सरकार प्रशासन के साथ अब बातचीत है, क्या वो कहते हैं क्या नहीं कहते हैं। लाखों ट्रैक्टर आएगा तो परेड निकालने के लिए ही आ रहा है, और क्या किस लिए आ रहा है ट्रैक्टर यहाँ पे? परेड निकालेंगे ही जब बुलाए हैं ट्रैक्टर।
Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on what really transpired in the Supreme Court. Anisha, the message from the Apex Court is that they don't want to touch upon the subject, that it is the Delhi police that essentially has to decide whether this tractor rally can happen or not.
Well, yes, Akshita, the court has made it very clear once again that it is inappropriate for the Apex Court to interfere at this stage on whether or not permission can be given for this rally. They once again remembered last hearing on Monday also the CJI had said the same thing, that it is under the power of the Delhi police and the administration to allow or disallow this rally to happen. And once again today the same observation was made. In fact, the court had asked the Solicitor General and the Attorney General to withdraw their petition for the injunction against the tractor rally. At the same time, the court has also expressed its absolute displeasure at the criticisms and conjectures regarding the court-appointed expert panel to look at these farm laws. The CJI has observed that these are experts in their field. They are renowned experts, and any allegations of bias are completely unacceptable. In fact, the court even said that if you don't want to go before the panel, you're welcome to take that decision, but you
Right.
cannot malign the expert panel in that manner, because what you're also doing is maligning the court by raising allegations of bias. So the court has for now issued notice on a petition that had said that the panel should be reconstituted after one of its members has recused, but that hearing will happen in a few days. Back
Okay,
to you.
Anisha, thank you for rounding up the updates there from the Supreme.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.